Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we are going to be spraying this metal prep. Yeah, we're going to be spraying this metal prep on here today. So that's what we're going to be doing. So stay tuned. Matter of fact, not even stay tuned. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it, shall we? Let's get right to it. I'm trying to do, I'll look at the time when I finish wetting it. I'm trying to think, let's see how. Yeah, that's the spread. And we gotta keep this wet. Can't let it dry. I was gonna say, should I just do one side and not the other? Can't let this thing dry. I think I'm just gonna do this right here. Then we'll come back and do the other side. Yeah, I think might be a little too much to do both. So that's it. I spray the first bit on there. Can't let it dry out. So okay. What time it is? It's 6:43. So we'll be back, guys, at 7:03. Got about 10 minutes to go. We're still wet. I had to spray it a couple more times though, but I do not want it to go dry. Alright. I want to make sure it's good. Yeah? I want to make sure it's good. But I don't want to run out, so I better be conservative with this. Like little sprinkles. Because I do not want it to run out on me. Be it I ain't got that long to go. About 10 minutes, so. Alright, God, it's like keep dripping on me too. Alright. I will be back when it's done. When it's done. Alright guys, let's see. Lord, this one is acting crazy. It is 7:10. So we are going to start spraying it off now. Been on there long enough. Past 20 minutes. It's 20 to 45 minutes. So I think that's oh Lord. That is good enough. Let's start spraying this thing off. I think that is good enough. Definitely start spraying it off now. Okay. Lord, keeping this sucker wet all that time is a pain. Hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully. Hopefully it pays off. Get all this crap off of here. So hopefully tomorrow we can paint it, but I don't know. I gotta have to do some drying today because the instructions say it's got to be bone dry before you put that paint on. Well, you paint, rust protective coating, well, got to be bone dry when you put that on here. So that's what it got to be. So that's what we got to do. So I'm gonna try to see if I can dry some of the thing off today, so we don't have to come over here and have to do any drying tomorrow. Should be good now. Make sure I get all of it. Okay. I sprayed this thing right here too. Just spray it off, even though this didn't get the full 20 minutes. This did not get the full 20 minutes. So spray it off before it gets probably some spots on it dried as well. Whew, Lord. I think that's good. I think that's good. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. Gotta make sure. Hopefully I don't want to waste none on here. Now we are free to paint this sucker now. We're good. After it dries completely, which won't be today. Hopefully it don't rain tomorrow and we can paint it. Get it over with. Get this mess done. Tired of looking at this thing when they're looking like this. Get this fender and everything on. Radiator support. So then we can when the fun begins. That's when the fun begins. Yeah. That's when the fun begins. Doing all this stuff right here is time consuming and not so good. Not so good. I know I already washed it enough. I know I already washed it enough. I just can't stop. I'm sure this is good now. I think that is enough. Okay. Right here, I forgot which side this thing goes on, but I know it goes up here somewhere, you know, in the compartment up here. I really didn't paint. I'm not gonna paint over here. I'm gonna leave that stuff on there because the fire really only got most of this stuff over here and some of this. And I had to scrape a lot of the stuff off over here, this black stuff. So hopefully we good. Oh, we're good. I gotta say it that way. Good. Hopefully we're good. Huh? Hopefully we're good. All right. So now I gotta get a new one of these. I see a OEM for $50 on eBay. I think I'm gonna get that one. So I might maybe I should look on Amazon as well. But on Amazon, I do not think I'm gonna find an OEM. But I know on eBay, you know, you can find them like that. So I found the OEM, and it's brand new for $50. Or I can get a used one for $35. 35, some 40, some 50 used. No sir. So I think I'm gonna get that brand new one. Okay guys, this is a short one for today. Oh, it was a long one, I don't know. But we're done with this for now. So I'm gonna do a little bit of drying off this thing. If I can, dang, I should have brought some paper towels. I should have. So hopefully tomorrow we can come and put this coating on here, this black coating. You know, let's see. Look at it. Right here, this rust barrier. Put this on tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah. That's it. So hopefully it'll be bone dry tomorrow so we can put this stuff on. All right, guys. I think that's about all we can do. That's it. Hopefully tomorrow it's bone dry. Since I did go over it and dry most of it up, so tonight hopefully it'll finish drying up. But if it rains tomorrow, we won't be able to come over here anyways to do anything with it. If it rains tomorrow or tonight. Well, tonight, if it rains tonight, that won't affect me from coming over here, but if it rains tomorrow, it will. So that's it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This yard need cutting. Lord, look how grown up this thing. We're gonna see some rabbits in a little bit. The rabbits love when the yard is grown up like this. Those rabbits. Alright. Like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. And we will see you again in the next one. Yeah, we'll see you again in the next one. When we're back in the yard. This messy yard, yes. This one. Okay, guys. Peace.